Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a reset button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare Form option. Select. Now click on this OK button and lower button area. Now select right button for properties and click general option. Here you can change button name. Make it font field visible, invisible. Also you can make it red only. And appearance option, change border color, border thickness, fill color choose white, and font size choose auto. Text color you can change also. Now select option and label. Here type your button box inside name and choose here reset on. Now select action and click this arrow and scroll down. Here you will find this reset a from option. Select and now select add. Here you can deselect a specific box or you can add all of this. Now select OK, close and click preview. Now type anything here. I will add also. Type here anything. Now click on this reset all option and see this. Already all of this remove. Also I type here anything. You type anything here. Here also. Type here. And click this reset button and see this. All of this are done. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.